The Islamic Institute of Arts and Architecture is a prestigious educational institution dedicated to the promotion and teaching of Islamic arts and architecture. It aims to provide comprehensive and specialized programs that foster an understanding and appreciation of Islamic cultural heritage. Here is a complete description of the establishment and opening of the Institute, including the teaching of drawing using various mediums. Institute Overview. The Islamic Institute of Arts and Architecture is established as a center of excellence for Islamic arts and architecture education. The Institute offers a wide range of educational programs catering to students of different levels and backgrounds. Curriculum. The Institute provides a rich curriculum that covers various aspects of Islamic arts and architecture. One of the core subjects is drawing, which encompasses the use of pencils, watercolors, oils, pastels, and other coloring tools. Students are taught different techniques and styles related to Islamic artistic traditions. Drawing classes. The Institute offers dedicated drawing classes that focus on developing students' skills in Islamic art. These classes are designed to teach fundamental principles of drawing, such as light and shadow, decorative details, Islamic patterns, and architectural elements. Practical workshops. Practical workshops form an integral part of the Institute's teaching methodology. Students participate in hands-on sessions where they apply their knowledge of drawing techniques to create Islamic art pieces. These workshops provide a platform for experimentation, creativity, and mastery of different mediums. Schedule and organization. The Institute follows a structured timetable and well-organized framework for its classes and workshops. Students have the opportunity to learn advanced skills and techniques during practical sessions, while also receiving guidance and mentorship from experienced instructors. Qualified instructors. The Institute employs highly qualified and experienced instructors specializing in Islamic arts and architecture. These instructors possess in-depth knowledge of the subject matter and are equipped with the necessary teaching skills to guide students effectively. Exhibitions and showcases. The Institute organizes exhibitions and showcases to celebrate the work of its students and promote the beauty of Islamic arts and architecture. These events provide a platform for students to display their creations to a wider audience, fostering appreciation and recognition of their talent. Collaborations and outreach. The Institute actively seeks collaborations with other artistic and cultural organizations to enhance its offerings and engage with the broader community. It may organize cultural exchanges, guest lectures, and partnerships to expand students' exposure to diverse artistic perspectives. By establishing and opening an educational institute dedicated to Islamic arts and architecture, aspiring artists and enthusiasts can gain a comprehensive understanding of these rich traditions while honing their skills in drawing and other mediums. The Institute aims to nurture a new generation of artists and architects who can contribute to the preservation and development of Islamic artistic heritage. The Islamic Institute of Arts and Architecture is a prestigious educational institution that offers comprehensive programs focused on teaching Islamic decoration and Arabic calligraphy in all its forms. Here's a detailed description of the Institute's establishment and the courses it provides. Institute Overview. The Islamic Institute of Arts and Architecture is dedicated to the study and practice of Islamic decoration and Arabic calligraphy. It serves as a center of excellence for students who wish to immerse themselves in the art and history of these Islamic artistic forms. Curriculum. The Institute offers a well-rounded curriculum that